So we do here. It is already old stain, they only said. So we are putting in this water. See, we used spot here, spotting chemical here. Ikkada observe cheyandi. This area and this area. They are completely removed. Yes, like this. See the difference. Ikkada check cheyandi. This area and this area. Thank you.